and gentlemen, I really appreciate that this is the first time in Chhattisgarh such an event has been organized. This is basically for industries. Till now, whatever has been organized, it was all consumer oriented and the participation from industries was comparatively less. But as we all know, with industries coming up, it takes care of everything. It will involve all the consumers also, all the products also, all the suppliers also, and it gives the development to the complete state. After becoming Chhattisgarh, the maximum development has taken place, and the persons who has come in Chhattisgarh before 8 years or 10 years, and now when they come to Chhattisgarh, they really do not know whether this is the same Chhattisgarh or this is different. It is well known not in India, but it is known all over the world also that the development which has taken in Chhattisgarh is to be seen that how the developments can take place. Chhattisgarh has a lot of scope for various industries. However, the basic industries which can be developed in Chhattisgarh are steel and power. This is mainly because the raw material required for steel and power is available in abundance. The iron ore is available, the coal is available, the water is available, and the coming years, as it is, Chhattisgarh has bypassed for steel mandi. The coming years, Chhattisgarh will be the highest producer of steel as well as highest in the generation of power. And the dream of our government and our persons and all Chhattisgarh state will come that Chhattisgarh has become a power hub. Maybe only few persons are aware that here there is lot of scope for hydropower also. In fact, even now in other states, persons do not understand whether the Chhattisgarh that hydropower can be there. But in coming years, the hydropower generation will be to the tune of 400 to 500 megawatts, which CREDA will support because they have signed various MOUs, they have given the various clearances to the various developers. The basic drawback, lacunas or basic difficulties or limitations which we will be facing in development of our industries is the most important is infrastructure. Lot of development has taken for infrastructure, but it has to pace with the development of the industries and other development also. Because if it doesn't pace, then that becomes the lacuna. Second, for infrastructure, road development, rail development, railways, not much has been done, whereas lot of things are required. Railways have planned for the third line, but only third line is not going to help. You are required to have alternate route also, and according to me, they should plan for at least 4 to 5 lines. For this, then only can cater the demand of the various state and industries requirement. One of the most bottleneck is that, and which is one of the biggest advantage of Chhattisgarh is that there is a forest cover of 44%. Now, what we have to do, we have to develop industries also and we have to save our forest also. The only requirement is that we develop and evolve such a nice policy here that whatever forest is lost because of industry, much more than that is developed. The expenses, the amount, everything is there, but for execution of that thing and that execution to that fast level is definitely required, which is not taking place. So this is one of the things, if it is done in Chhattisgarh, the development of forest cover in today's today may be 44%, but if we see in coming years, it may increase, and rather to say good trees will come here. The export, lot of export is taking place from Chhattisgarh, but it is not coming to the development of Chhattisgarh and revenue of Chhattisgarh because of various, again, infrastructure problems. Now, if it is taken care, it will be there that Chhattisgarh has become the biggest exporter. And I am sure that in coming years, Chhattisgarh will become steel hub and power hub. Thank you very much.